Okay, hello YouTube. I'm back here again. It's Fred, and I'm going to do another video on SRCDS. This time only Debian, only for Debian. Next time for CentOS. And what's different in this video is that I will use my script files to manage the downloads for CSS and as well as CSGO servers. And my script files can they can install, they can update the servers, they can start, they can stop, they can back up the servers too. So what we're going to do is to download the script, and I'm on the download page on my website, and then click the link to download my script. You can download the config files also, so you can configure the server, but we are just going to install the servers now and you can configure them yourself. So I have already downloaded the script files. They are in here. I've unzipped those files onto my desktop. I configured them using Notepad++. You can see here I want it to be downloaded to this directory, and I also configured the CSGO. I uploaded those using secure FTP, and I have SSH to my Debian box here. So and also before I've downloaded the dependencies. Here they are. And if you are using a 64-bit Debian like I am, you need to have the 32-bit libraries for the compatibility to install Steam CMD, I think. Steam CMD. Okay. And I am in my home directory and in another directory called SRCDS. So here are the script files, and we are going to install for CSS first, and then I'm going to delete the CSS folder, and then we continue with the CSGO part. So here you can see the options we have: start, stop, restart, reload, debug, backup, install, update. And you will need to use start, stop and update. Update is only necessary when Wall releases an update, and then it will say when you connect to the server, it will say that, hey, you're using a newer version of the Steam client and you need to update the server. Okay, so we are going to install first. Okay, the server is being downloaded now, so I'm going to pause the video, and I'm coming back when everything is downloaded. And the CSGO server, CSS server, sorry, is now downloaded, and we can start server using start, but I suggest starting it with debug first. In that way you can see if there are some errors in the server, and the start, if you're using the start command, you will start it in the screen. Fade to load 32-bit blah 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 blah, you can install that yourself. Okay, and then you have, do you have some errors in here? No, you don't. If you see an error yourself, you can fix it, but some of the errors here you can't fix, and those errors are in the Steam server itself, so you can't fix it. Only Valve can. Okay, but you can see here that is trying to download some of the config, some of the CSG files, and you can download those from my website. You can configure your own files. I'm just showing you how to install the servers. Okay, we exit the server, and then we can start the server, and the start will start it in a screen as you see here. And to attach the screen, you type screen-X and the screen name, which is CSS1. No, okay. Small x, okay. And here you have the server. And to get out of here, you can press and hold Control A and D. And then if you type screen-list, you can see what screens are running. And if you are running apt-get CSGO CSS, stop. You have no screen left. Okay, so we will download the CSGO now. I will just delete the folder first. CSS1 and Steam, and that I do that because this is a VM, and the VM have a small hard drive, so I need some space. Okay, so we're going to download the app CSGO and install. Hope it will work. So Steam CMD is downloading and connecting, and now it is now downloading server, and I will pause here and come back later. Okay, we are online. The CSGO server is installed, and if we take a look here, we will see that in the CSGO1 directory we have the CSGO, which is the mod directory. So in here you can modify whatever you like about the server. You can modify the config files and add the maps in. What we are going to do now is to start the server in debug mode, and then we are going to start it debug and look for errors. Oi. Okay. So here we have okay, so you can fix some of those errors yourself if you want to, but the server should be online and working now. If we see here, that secure mode is disabled, and that is probably because I haven't configured my yeah, exactly. When I'm starting the server in debug mode, the server will start in as a local game server and not a public game server, and in local game servers back will always be disabled. If you go online with server, if you start it using the start parameter, you will get the VAX enabled, and also you will need to configure your firewall or your router to be able to have those servers public so anyone can join, and also some of the services like VAC will can talk to the outside world. Okay, so we will exit the server, and then we will start the server. So why? Okay, and then go into screen -x and CSGO 1, and here you have the server, and as you can see here, the VAC is now activated. Okay, Control A and D will detach from the screen, and then you can list screen -list, and then you can see the screen is running, and you can also stop from here, and then if you list, you don't have a screen. So this was how to install CSS and CSGO on Debian, and if you want to configure the servers, and yes, you will need and want to do that, you can find some of the configs on my web page on the download sections, and just download them and configure them yourself, or you can probably search around on the internet and find how you can do that. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe.